Do you find this annoying? If you don't want to hear sound while scrubbing through your scene in Premiere, I am going to show you how to turn that off. So first off, you're going to go up to Edit. You're going to click that and go down to Preferences here at the bottom. Then you're going to go to Audio. And you're going to turn off or uncheck Play Audio while scrubbing in source and program monitors. This is going to save you a lot of annoyance. Your friends, family, and housemates will thank me. And now when you scrub through, you don't hear anything play back. So this is super helpful. Remember, you can always check it back on if you want to turn it back on. But for me, I don't really need it, and I think it may be helpful for you guys too. So please give me a like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and check out my playlist in Premiere.